The right way to prune a peace lily. The peace lily is a beautiful, easy-to-care-for houseplant that can brighten up any indoor space. Although peace lilies are relatively low maintenance, they do need to be pruned on occasion to keep them looking their best. If you're not sure how to prune a peace lily, don't worry, it's easy. Just follow these simple steps and your plant will be looking good as new in no time. 1. Start by removing any dead or dying leaves from the plant. These can be easily identified by their brown or yellow color. 2. Cut back any long, leggy stems to encourage new growth. 3. Trim back the peace lily's roots if they are starting to become visible above the soil line. 4. Finally, give the plant a good watering and fertilize it with a balanced fertilizer. After following these simple steps, your peace lily will be looking neat and healthy in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.